Hi guys, welcome to this new video, and today we're going to talk about another mounting bracket. This one is from Oberon. The name of it is 1008-00-WH, and this bracket is very nice. It's very low profile, and it allows us to mount an AP. It's another 90-degree wall bracket, I guess. So it allows us to mount an AP against a wall or against some sort of vertical surface, a warehouse column, something like this. And as you can see, it's very low profile. It has tons of different screw holes on the back, so you can install different type of brackets. You have multiple options for different type of AP brackets, so it supports a wide variety of AP vendors out there. And on top of this, it also comes with a T-rail bar that you can actually screw on. So if any of these holes doesn't match your bracket, but your bracket does match a typical ceiling mount, a ceiling T-bar, you'll be able to actually attach it below this mounting bracket. So it's very, very nice solution. When you get it out of the box, you actually get it. It's solid. It's made out of one piece of metal. It looks like they carried out the different pieces here. And what you also get with it is the T-rail bar. You also get a few screws, and we'll use the screws to actually showcase how you can install the mist AP bracket on this one in a minute. And what you also get is ways to actually install or mount that bracket against a wall, against some sort of vertical area. So what you get is two mounting screws like this, heavy duty, and you also get some sort of C-clamps that you could use if you're attaching this to ceiling truss in a more industrial or retail area. So how do we mount the AP on these brackets? I'm going to turn it over, and I'm going to take my mist bracket here, and what you can actually do is align the hole nicely and find which screw holes will match your bracket. So as you can see here, I actually have 4 different screw holes that can match with this bracket, and I can take my little screws and start screwing them on. And here, just for time purposes, I'm just going to screw 3 of them, so we have enough that it's sturdy. But if I wanted to have it extra strong, I could actually put 4 screws to attach the bracket here. That will probably be the safer bet if you're actually installing it in production. And the screws, you don't have to worry about them. They come with the bracket. So not the bracket, sorry. They come with the Oberon mount, and you actually have different. If I show it to you on the camera here, they actually have different sizes, so you can just use whichever one will fit the screw hole and your bracket. And that's it. Now the bracket is mounted, so I can take my mist AP. I have a mist AP here. I can take it and just slide it on. I always like to face the area where you have your AP or your connectors, your Ethernet connectors, against the wall or against the flat surface, so that the cable will be nice and neatly installed as well. And that's it. Now the AP is installed. As you can see, it's very low profile, and it allows you to mount these APs properly, facing down. That's usually how the internal, if you have an AP with the internal antenna, that's usually how they've been designed to be installed under the ceiling. So you can keep that nice propagation pattern by using this bracket and installing it on the wall. Okay, so I hope this video was useful. It's definitely a nice looking one. We have another video that talks about the Ventev alternative, so you can kind of compare the different solutions. But yeah, it's a nice solution to use in the field if you want like a low profile installation that struggle to take the AP out. Yeah, so we'll put a link in the show notes here if you want to take a look at the brackets. If you want to see other things, if you have questions, don't hesitate to let me know, and we'll make sure to answer them in the comments. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.